Welcome to the WIONPodcast, where we explore fascinating stories and ideas from various fields. In this episode, we uncover some of the most extraordinary moments in B-52 history, when crews and aircraft overcame incredible odds to pull off emergency landings that seemed almost impossible. Their remarkable stories reveal how engineering and skill often make the difference between disaster and survival. To survive severe crosswinds, the Boeing B-52 Stratofortress uses a highly unusual crab landing technique. The bomber's main landing gear can physically rotate up to 20 degrees, allowing the massive 390,000-pound aircraft to land practically sideways on the runway. In January 1964, a B-52H encountered brutal clear air turbulence while flying over the mountains of Colorado. The violent atmospheric forces completely ripped off the aircraft's 40-foot vertical stabilizer, leaving the heavy bomber without its primary steering component. Despite missing the entire tail section, the test crew managed to keep the critically damaged bomber airborne for 6 terrifying hours. By carefully manipulating the engine thrust and center of gravity, they miraculously landed the crippled aircraft at Blytheville Air Force Base. Because the B-52 relies on 8 TF-33 turbofan engines, it possesses unmatched redundancy during mid-air emergencies. Crews have repeatedly executed safe emergency landings even after catastrophic bird strikes completely disabled multiple engines on a single wing. Some of the most unusual B-52 landings involve aircraft that were supposed to be permanently dead. Bombers nicknamed Ghost Rider and Wise Guy were pulled from the Arizona Desert Boneyard after a decade, successfully flying to base for a multi-million-dollar fleet regeneration. Stopping a heavy bomber traveling at high speeds requires immense braking power, especially during hydraulic failures. To prevent overrunning short or icy runways, the B-52 deploys a massive 44-foot drag parachute from its tail to safely bleed off kinetic energy. If the hydraulic systems fail during descent, the bomber's landing gear will not deploy automatically, risking a lethal belly landing. To survive, the crew must aggressively manually crank the massive gear into place using onboard mechanical winches before the jet reaches the tarmac. Thanks for tuning into this incredible story. If this episode resonated with you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more captivating stories to come. Stay tuned.